In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bank account conversion balance in Xero. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, especially if you're transitioning from another accounting software to Xero. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you capture everything correctly. First, you'll want to start by opening the Xero website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy so you can access your account easily. Once you're logged in, you're ready to navigate to the next step. Remember, having a reliable internet connection is essential to prevent any interruptions while you work. Now that you're logged in, locate the Settings option on your dashboard. You can usually find this in the main menu, which is typically positioned at the top or side of the page. Clicking on Settings will open up a list of options related to your account preferences and financial settings. This area allows you to customize your account according to your business needs. Next, among the settings options, look for Conversion Balances. This section is designed for entering your financial balances from the previous accounting system into Xero. You'll find it in the Settings menu, often under the heading that deals with financial settings or conversion. Selecting Conversion Balances will take you to the page where you manage these figures. Once you're on the Conversion Balances page, you'll have the opportunity to enter the necessary information. At this point, you'll see fields that allow you to input the debit amounts. These figures represent the financial transactions or balances you're carrying over from your previous system. Accuracy is key here, so take a moment to double-check the amounts before proceeding. If you need to add multiple conversion balances or different accounts, Xero conveniently provides an option to add a new line. You can do this by simply clicking the Add New Line button. This feature is particularly useful if you have numerous transactions or different account types to input, ensuring that all your financial data is accounted for correctly. Once you've entered all the necessary debit amounts and additional lines, you're ready to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the screen. By clicking Save, you ensure that all the information you've entered is securely stored in your Xero account. This is a crucial step, as it finalizes the transfer of your financial data into the platform. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully entered a bank account conversion balance in Xero. This process helps keep your accounting records up to date and ensures a smooth transition to Xero from any previous accounting software. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments below.